So today I went to Five Below and I got some markers. I'm gonna name them all, but I'm gonna show you because it's gonna take too long. So I got pastel peach, cool gray, green gray, deep red, baby blue, melon yellow, yellow green, old red, olive green, light violet, pastel pink, cobalt blue, warm gray, black, burnt sienna, plaid green, pastel yellow, whatever that says. And I'm not going to finish. There's only 2 more, but okay, anyways, the next thing is this. It's hand sanitizer guava mango. Mango guava. So anyways, I got my name is Sia, and I'm on my mom's channel. I don't know how to open this, but I'm gonna be filming today, so I have my own phone. I'm filming on my phone, so yeah. So anyways, this is my jump rope I got for $1. And then I got this liquid thing. The wreath is a nail set. See? Wait. The reason I wanted to go is because we were on a mission to get the viral dumplings. But I wasn't able to, so I was going to do a video to unbox, but I didn't get to. Anyways, this is my pink fidget spinner I got. Ready? This is a real fidget spinner. And then that's it, but I have like something else to do, so I know. So my name is Sia. I'm gonna tell a story. My name is Sia, and I've never actually been in a video on my mom's channel, but I have been in baby pictures on TV. Just search up Malago, and then you'll find it. So it's MALAGOPAUL. So yeah. I like this gummy nail thing. I'm gonna open it. So my brother is gonna be doing a video too, but not right now. He's gonna be doing his like in 5 minutes. Anyways, I have to go. Bye. See you later.